case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Texas heard a 1997 case, American Tobacco Company v. Grinnell, which focused on whether federal law overrides state law in specific cases and if evidence supports the claims made against American Tobacco Company. The Grinnell family sued the company for wrongful death after Wiley Grinnell died from lung cancer caused by smoking cigarettes manufactured by American. The family claimed that the company failed to warn Grinnell of the risks and concealed information about the addictive and dangerous nature of their product. The court granted summary judgment on some claims in the lawsuit, but remanded the surviving claims to the trial court for further proceedings. The defendant argued that the risks of smoking were common knowledge, but the court found that the addictive nature of cigarettes was not included in that defense. The case underscores the responsibility of tobacco companies to warn consumers about the risks of their products. The court held that the plaintiff's pre-1969 claims for strict liability marketing defect, negligent failure to warn, and test related to the addictive qualities of cigarettes, and manufacturing defect claims were valid. Additionally, the court ruled that implied warranty claims were valid if they were filed within 4 years before the lawsuit. The surviving claims were sent back to the trial court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.